Hi everyone, how are you doing today? It's Spritz week and today I want to show you how to make Americano grapefruit spritz. It's really easy drink that you use Americano. Americano is fortified wine, but instead of the more commonly available types like vermouth, this one is significantly more bitter. So in my opinion it stands between a regular sweet vermouth and a Campari. So for those of you that doesn't like Campari too much due to its increased bitterness, I think that could be a really good substitute with similar flavor profile but slightly reduced bitterness. So let's not waste more time. It's really easy to make drink. What we're gonna need is 1 ounce or 30 ml of the Americano. We're gonna continue with 2 ounces of sparkling wine. I'm using this the whole day, so I don't know how much sparkling is left on it, but will do the trick. And 2 ounces of grapefruit soda. Okay, we're gonna add some ice. And we're gonna garnish with a slice of grapefruit. So that is how we make Americano grapefruit spritz. Let's give it a taste. Wow, it's if you like grapefruit, you will definitely like this one. You have the grapefruit notes from the grapefruit soda, the kind of orangey, grapefruity bitterness from the Americano, and some additional flavor from the sparkling wine. If you use freshly opened bottle, it will be more sparkling than in my particular case. But nevertheless, I definitely think it's a great refreshing drink for the summer days. So feel free to give it a try. And if you are willing to, you also can leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the drink. Thank you once more for watching. Please subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.